It's the social place for boaters, the Drift. And we've drifted into one of the largest and most prestigious boat shows in the country. And John has found some folks who are rising up for a great cause.
The Bitter End Yacht Club. I went there some years ago before the hurricane, and it was a wonderful place. We did some sailing with the moorings and some chilling at the Bitter End. What an awesome destination. How have you come back? And tell me about that story.
So Bitter End Rising was our tagline right after the hurricane. We actually started our own clothing line, which you can see all around me. It's called Bitter End Provisions. This was started right after Irma so we could keep the Bitter End name alive. Some of our proceeds went straight to our Bitter End Foundation, which helps support all of our employees and the community down there that obviously lost everything in Hurricane Irma, including myself. So that was a really nice thing to have. Well, we had no job, no home, but we did have Bitter End still supporting us.
When Irma hit,
yeah.
Did you ever think you could rise?
At that very moment, no. It was really hard to picture something like that. I remember setting foot back at Bitter End 2 months after, and I lived there at the time when Irma hit, and there was one wall of my current room left. But we are back, better than ever. We've had an amazing couple years coming back. We're about to finish some of our accommodations, which are brand new and right on the water. So we'll have our marina lofts, and we'll also have our beautiful beach bungalows.
So can you still see Mr. Branson's island on the distance?
Technically,
did that survive?
You can never see him exactly because prickly pear is in the way, but yes, he did survive. He's back with his lemurs and kangaroos.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thank you. Keep rising.
Thank you. We will.